is the fifth cause of karma, which is those who had the religious conditioning that this God presides over this organ of the body, and you have memorized those chants. Immediately that chant comes up in the mind only because of your past conditioning. When there is pain in the stomach, oh, pain in the stomach, let me pray to this God. It's a very first reaction that came from your conditioning, because you've been chanting those prayers for a long time. This is for people who have the religious conditioning and the chanting conditioning. Those who don't have this, they have this feeling that earth, water, fire, ether, air, these elements are external to me. And I am inside this skin, and earth, water, fire, ether, air have a particular effect on that which is inside, basically the body. And then you think, oh, I have had too much of this juice or too much of that, and that created too much kapha in me, and I shouldn't have gone that way. I know the doctor told me to avoid this. And you go all this way. All this is related to your understanding of earth, water, fire, ether, air. When you eat too much spicy food, then you say, oh, there is fire in the stomach. My pitta is high, I should have not had so much spice. You are, without knowing it, you are relating to earth, water, fire, ether, air. Start identifying this. It's not in those specific words, but it is in your story of cause and effect. Oh, this burning in the stomach happened because of that particular food item. So that particular food item is outside. This stomach is inside. You've already created I and the other. Separateness has come up. You have suddenly become the body. And you are holding on to a story of cause and effect. And at a subtle level, it is one of the 5 elements. Recognize this. Recognize this. The moment there is a cause-effect story, there is that assumption of the elements.